It's absolutely vital on any website to make sure you've got everything backed up. Now, in the case of a WordPress site, there's two main elements you need. You need to back up your database and you need to back up your site files. In this video, I'm dealing with backing up your database. The easiest way I find to do this is through your own WordPress installation. And we're going to put in a plugin to do this. I just go Add New, and if I look up here, Backup, I just choose Backup here, I search through the plugins. There are a lot to choose from. I like this one right here called WPDB Backup. It's nice and simple, very straightforward. I'm going to install it. Alright, there it is. Let me activate it. Now this particular plugin appears down in the Tools area. So now I've got a backup link there. So I go to that. And it's telling me it will always back up the core WordPress tables. You always have to do that. Then I can also choose some other tables to do. In this case, these are ones from my plugins that I've got. And I just check those off. And then I go into backup. Now I can't go any further because there's some sensitive information on there. But you can save this to your server, which doesn't make a lot of sense because of course you're trying to back up the server in case something goes wrong. Or you can have it emailed to you. A lot of people will email it to a Gmail account or something like that that has a lot of space on it and is kind of stored off-site. It's not on your machine. Or you can download it to your machine. Whatever you want to do, you can back it up that way. And then you can schedule. So you could say automatically do this backup every day or every week. So that's how you use a plugin to do it right in WordPress. Now another option is to go to your hosting control panel. In this case I'm using cPanel, and one of its options is to do a complete backup. Now this is absolutely everything. Your database, all your files, all your email settings, everything. You can do that with one click here, or you could go into each individual database and download that one. So that gives you a few options. One thing you shouldn't do, and it looks tempting to do, is under Tools it says Export. Now it kind of sounds like you're exporting the site, and you are to a certain extent, but it doesn't export everything, and it stores it in a particular file that's only used by certain applications. This is really meant for going from one WordPress installation to another, bringing in material. Let's say you've already got a WordPress website in one place, you have a new website over here, you want to take some of the content from the old one, import it into the new one, you would use this export function. This is not for backing up though. So those are some options you've got for backing up your database and keeping your content safe.